In this video, we will cover how to do a combine distance calibration on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Harvest, select the correct configuration, press the double-ended wrench, press Calibrate Distance, select the correct ground speed source type. In this case, we're going to use wheels. Then press Next. Press the numeric keypad button and enter in the correct distance that will be traveled. Press the green check mark. Press Next. Position the vehicle at the start marker. Press Start and begin driving. When the vehicle reaches the end marker, press Stop and press Next. The calibration is now complete. Press the green check mark. Press the green check mark again. We have now covered how to do a combine distance calibration on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.